Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sagar Soni. Do you want to learn programming but you are confused that exactly where to find correct lessons? Then today you are in the right place because I have brought to you one of the greatest websites I have ever found to learn programming and web related things. No more talks. Let me just show you what it is. So this is a website named w3schools.com where you can find a lot of tutorials, not exactly tutorials, but notes along with examples and live results. As you can see here, um, all the columns have all the programming languages that you might want to learn. HTML and CSS from basics to advanced, everything is here. For example, when I click on HTML tutorial, you can see I am in homepage right now where I can start learning, and from basic introduction to learning about the what kind of editors are available, basics of HTML, elements, attribute, headings, blah blah blah, a lot of things, everything basically that a person needs to know about HTML. In Python, you can see from syntax to comments, variables, data types, whatever you want to learn, everything is present here. Also, not just notes, but also you can see example projects here and exercises for practicing, like quizzes and exercises here for different purposes. Along with all this, if you want to learn more and go deeper in the knowledge, here are the paid courses by their professionals in this courses.w3schools.com/course section. Learn HTML. Here you can see it's for $95. When you click on homepage, you can see all the available courses related to any kind of programming language or HTML or whatever. So that's it for this video. If you liked what I told you today, please like this video. Also share with your friends so that they can also learn something. And if you want to get more videos like this in future, so please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any other update. See you in the next one. Bye.